Hi, my name is Shayna from WTI.
If your dryer is not drying as well as it used to, it might be time to give your vent a really good clean. And you can do so with the clothes dryer lint vent trap cleaner brush. My clothes were not drying well, so I was really happy when I purchased this cleaner brush. It has a bendable stainless wire, which is great to be able to angle the brush and to get deep into the lint trap and give it a good clean. The bendable wire also makes it easy to store, especially if you have those cleaning tool storage hooks. Not only has the cleaner helped my dryer to thoroughly dry my clothes, but it's also cut my drying time, and it helps to prevent fires in the dryer, which is something I never thought of. With a clean dryer vent, my dryer doesn't have to work as hard.
And that's my point of view.